MC Olenjidai, karibu tukuhudumie.
Lialaji liagi homi manager hajaro hangayage ya olendirangai aya. So I want to give you families here. They want to know where you from, and I guess you also have families here. They want to join you. When I mention your name, you stand and wave a little bit. Wave. Aya, makofi mengi sana. Aya. Aya, ngoja kidogo. So endo radwe be rilera yobogen engo na jisi be adol nda ronga linyi. You see? So those few hands are your family. Angela radwe engo na ji oh jambili. That few. Okay, thank you so much. Get seated. Endo ngai kuma balik. Kiara ndo yara mama sida. Dita, I want to give the family here. Would you wave? Would you wave again? And the Lord Mama Sirana, I'm gonna get Mama Sirana. Aya, negi aragis normal na yobo order in the way, Leodo Mungi Normal Lilian, Oji, cousin, would you wave? I'm gonna get normal Lilian Wagon. No, yet Nelarani, those are your family. It's a big family here. They are called the Molel. So you are going to have a family called the Molel. Molel include Molel. Would you have Molel? Molel. Those are Molel. Molel. Scholar. Scholar is also Molel. And Dr. Fred, na Lara Yoni, Davai, let me make it glory kiri, let me ara yesharan your mo. And Rohingya go Molel. Thank you. I'm gonna do all like you Riene. Oh, that is your family friend. They're called Letayo. Emuseregi oye!